Hi everybody, this is Daniel. So today we see another case of M1 fiber affected. So previously we have StarHub that has the outage and M1. So I myself is not a M1 user. So but still I'm gonna try this method out because previously what happened in StarHub, it did work. So I'm not sure if it's the same issue, and I check around. Apparently not much of my friends are using M1 fiber, but I believe this method would be pretty useful, so maybe you can give it a try. Okay, so I have a page that shows the DNS. So it could probably be another DNS issue, which I would recommend you, okay, to do this for desktop. Okay, so simply go to your page and then go and search for network. Okay, you can just go to network status or even Wi-Fi settings. Okay, that doesn't really matter. So what you want to do at the page of Windows is to look for the adapter. Okay, go to the adapters options, look for the one that is connected. It can be Ethernet port. For my case, actually is the Wi-Fi, I mean the wireless adapter. So just go to here and select the IP protocol version 4. So what I'm going to do here is actually use a specific DNS. So I believe for your case it will be dynamic. Okay, so in our case what we want to use is a DNS, a DNS by a reliable company. So these are few. Okay, so for my case you can see that I was previously using Code9, and I did use Google, and there's a lot of variety that you can look for, and these are top few that are quite good. So what you want to do, so I'll continue to use Code9. So what you want to do is to go inside the page again, key in 9999, okay, and you press enter and press OK. Okay, so by now your DNS should be changed to 9.9.9.9. So what you may want to do right now is to actually off the return on and off the Wi-Fi settings, so it might take in place, or sometimes it works on the spot. Yeah, so hope this is helpful for those people who are affected by the M1 incident. So hopefully you are still able to work from home and without suffering much issue. Yeah, so if you find the video useful, do share it with your friend. Yeah, and if it doesn't work, make sure you update me as well. Thank you and goodbye.